हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं अनिल और मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं हमारी एबीसी कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश के इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द कन्वर्जन ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इनटू सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस। If you want to speak fluent English and strengthen your English, then practice these sentences daily. It will surely help you to improve your English. So without wasting our time, we are going to start it. Read an English newspaper daily. I will read an English newspaper daily. She lives in our society. She will live in our society. He goes to college on a bus daily. He will go to college on a bus daily. My father goes to the garden in the evening daily. My father will go to the garden in the evening daily. The teacher takes our test every Saturday. The teacher will take our test every Saturday. I play cricket with my friends daily. I will play cricket with my friends daily. Rohan lives on 9th floor. Rohan will live on 9th floor. Kayuri eats fresh fruits daily. Kayuri will eat fresh fruits daily. Madhav goes to the library in the morning. Madhav will go to the library in the morning. They watch reels daily. They will watch reels daily. I drink coffee daily. I will drink coffee daily. My brother doesn't like tea. My brother will not like tea. लेकिन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पर जाने से पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाले न्यू वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पर मिल जाए और शेयर तो जरूर करें। तो चलिए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पर। Does Sudha wake at 6 a.m. daily? Will Sudha wake at 6 a.m. daily? Hitesh doesn't come to class regularly. Hitesh will not come to class regularly. I try to speak in English with everyone. I will try to speak in English with everyone. Keyur isn't active on social media. Keyur will not be active on social media. Bharti cooks tasty food daily. Bharti will cook tasty food daily. My father doesn't like oily food. My father will not like oily food. Pragnesh works at city hospital. Pragnesh will work at city hospital. Rahul doesn't park his vehicle properly in the society. Rahul will not park his vehicle properly in the society. Sushant lives in an expensive flat. Sushant will live in an expensive flat. I love to spend quality time with my family members. I will love to spend quality time with my family members. We play Antakshari in our leisure time. We will play Antakshari in our leisure time. Bhavesh likes to eat fast food. Bhavesh will like to eat fast food. Sonia doesn't study on Sunday. Sonia will not study on Sunday. Hemant goes to Goa on summer vacation. Hemant will go to Goa on summer vacation. Nirali takes tuition at her home. Nirali will take tuition at her home. They don't like to stay at home on Sunday. They will not like to stay at home on Sunday. My mother makes different sweets at the festival. My mother will make different sweets at the festival. I send 20 emails daily. I will send 20 emails daily. Shobha doesn't like sweet dishes. Shobha will not like sweet dishes. Does Mehul drive a car carefully? Will Mehul drive a car carefully? I watch a spiritual program daily. I will watch a spiritual program daily. Malti sells branded clothes. Malti will sell branded clothes. I read a novel daily before going to bed. I will read a novel daily before going to bed. Does Piyush learn English? Will Piyush learn English? They go to the gym together at 5:30 a.m. They will go to the gym together at 5:30 a.m. Rupa doesn't teach her child daily. Rupa will not teach her child daily. Do they eat fast food daily? Will they eat fast food daily? We use public transport daily. We will use public transport daily. Suresh studies in my college. Suresh will study in my college. Atul doesn't celebrate his birthday. Atul will not celebrate his birthday. He washes his clothes in the evening. He will wash his clothes in the evening. Pratik doesn't like to sleep on the sofa. Pratik will not like to sleep on the sofa. Karthik always wears formal clothes. Karthik will always wear formal clothes. Do I sleep till late? Will I sleep till late? Does Bhargav play a guitar well? Will Bhargav play a guitar well? I write 100 English sentences daily. I will write 100 English sentences daily. Does Pratibha sweep her room daily? Will Pratibha sweep her room daily? The children learn to swim in a small pool daily. The children will learn to swim in a small pool daily. आशा करता हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। ऐसे ही मजेदार वीडियो के साथ फिर आपसे मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।